Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by defining a single measurable question and the KPIs that will decide success. This focuses every choice. Next, collect the data sources you need: databases, CSV, APIs, and inventory formats and permissions. Once done, run a quick quality scan. Percent missing, duplicate counts, date ranges, and obvious outliers. Make sure to document sample rows and a simple schema snapshot, so you can start cleaning and shaping without guessing or repeating work later. You now clean and transform with purpose. Coerce types, standardize date formats, and unify categorical labels so joins behave. Then decide on missing data rules, impute when under 50% missing per feature, otherwise consider dropping or flagging, document assumptions. Once that baseline is stable, engineer features. Create aggregates, rolling windows, and binary flags that map to your question. Make sure to track lineage so you can reproduce the pipeline and validate that each transform improves signal, not noise. You wrap up by choosing the right analysis: descriptive summaries, inferential tests, or predictive models depending on the question. Fit models or compute statistics, then validate with cross-validation or a holdout set and run sensitivity checks to key assumptions. Once validated, produce concise deliverables: a summary table, 2-3 clear visuals, and 3 action-oriented insights. If results look unstable, check lineage, sample bias, and feature leakage first. Rerun preprocessing on a controlled subset to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.